So this is Cody. I'm the publisher of Easy Reader, and this is Easy Reader's new office, the fourth in our 50 years, and certainly the nicest in terms of ambience. It was formerly Larry Payday, the architect's office, and he left it in very good condition. Nice bright walls and high ceilings that are suitable for hanging artwork, and over those 50 years we've collected a fair amount of art by local artists like Wilfred Starr and John Van Hammersveld and Bob Stack, who's our former art director. So we're very happy. Plus we're back in the downtown. We've been in downtown Hermosa for almost all of those 50 years, but we had about 6 years up on the highway, which was just a little bit too far from the beach. There's not a whole lot to see. You know, we're a little short desk. I think I undermeasured or overmeasured because I don't seem to have any room for reporters, but we're going to make the desks a little smaller and squeeze in a couple more desks for the reporters. But we got plenty of wall space, so if there's any artists interested in exhibiting and posting prices on their artwork, we'll be happy to install it. One of my favorite pieces is this, the original Making It cartoon by the now deceased Keith Robinson. He is quite a brilliant observer of beach life, and it basically begins with a person graduating from Maricosta High School and reaching the height of success by buying a home on the Strand. The paintings along this, the larger paintings, the first one's by Richard Stevens, who's one of the Cannery Row artists, and the three behind that are by also recently deceased Wilfred Starr, who is also a Cannery Row and one of the area's more respected artists. That first artist of the Redondo Library with its famous ficus tree was a cover for a story we did on the library. This is a cartoon about newspapers by one of our earliest cartoonists, Matt Worker. He's from Palos Verdes. He won a Pulitzer Prize in 2012, I think, for Politico, the online news site. But he still contributes to us regularly. And this woodcut is by George Clark, another early Easy Reader artist. And then this picture of Sisyphus pushing the typewriter up the hill, which I identify with more than I'd like to, is by Bob Stack, another Easy Reader editorial cartoonist who now devotes most of his time to doing cover illustrations for the New Yorker. We really pride ourselves on good writing, good photography. We've got a staff of salespeople and production people who all work their butts off to bring the community news about what's happening. And absent someone doing that, the society suffers, as we are seeing in communities that have become newspaper deserts. So we're trying to keep the beach cities informed. EasyReaderNews.com, newsstands all over, and in your mailbox on the second Thursday of every month.